they were taking bath in the holy river of the Ganges and also chanting holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So Nam Sankirtan, when Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared, that time everybody also chanted Nam Sankirtan. Nam Sankirtan Prabhur Hoilo Avatar. Chaitanya Bhagavad Vrindavan Das Thakur explained. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he appeared in Nam Sankirtan. In the same way, Srila Gurudev Bhaktivedanta Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, he also born in Nam Sankirtan. Because according to the Vedic culture, Mohini, Amavasya, especially in Bihar, they also take bath in the Ganges and chanting holy names. But in Bihar, mostly they chant holy names, Ram Nam. Most of the Bihar Gurudev told in his area, that village, most of the people, they are the devotee of Lord Ramachandra. So Gurudev, when he took birth, and that time also people, they also chant Ram Nam and taking bath in the holy river Ganges. So when you compare these things with Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he also took birth in Nam Sankirtan. Just difference. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he appeared in lunar eclipse, Chandragrahan that time. And Gurudev, he appeared in Mauni Amavasya. Maybe your question will come, what is the meaning of Mauni? Why this word used? Mauni means, what did I say? Mauni means?
Silence.
Silence. Actually, behind very nice, beautiful pastimes in a Ramayana Katha is that also. You know, Lord Shivji and Devi Parvati, consort of Lord Shiva, Devi Parvati, they are very close to each other and always they discuss about Krishna Katha, Govinda Katha or Ram Katha. Husband should be as like Lord Shiva, or wife should be as like Parvati. That means is what? Wife and husband always should be absorbed in Krishna Katha, Ram Katha, Bhagavad Katha. So for this regard we see Devi, Parvati and Lord Shiva, always they discuss about Krishna Katha, Ram Katha. And they absorbed in Ashtakalin Lila Katha also. So once Lord Shiva and Devi Parvati, they were sitting in Kailash. Just they seated. In the meantime, Lord Shiva smiled. Laughed. That time Devi Parvati asked, "Oh my husband, why you are laughing? Why so much exalted with the divine love? What happened?" That time first Shivji told Devi, what will tell to you? Now in my trance, my Ram Lila, my Prabhu Ram is performing sweet Lila. Ram Lila? Yes. My Lord Ram, he left Ayodhya and exiled in forest Banavas. And then in my trance, very sweet pastimes manifested. After a few years, then in Dandakaranya, Ravana, who is the king of Lanka, he kidnapped Sita Devi. Then my Lord Ram, completely what? Bewildered man, and feeling pain of separation from Sita. Hasite, 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 oh my Sita, oh my Sita. In this way, Lord Ram cried and shedding tears. That time Devi Parvati told, oh my husband, Shivji, he told your Lord Ram is Bhagavan, Parabrahma Bhagavan. He does not know where is his Sita, wife. We are demigoddess. Even we have son and all knowing power. Demigoddess, they have some also, not as like Bhagavan, they have some also all knowing power, Sarvagata. Those who are demigoddess, they also know the heart of the human being. What you are thinking, demigoddess, they can know. So we are demigod and demigoddess. Even we know that Ravan, he kidnapped Sita Devi. And where is Sita Devi? We also know this thing. Sita Devi is now in Lanka, in the garden of Ashoka. Yeah.
Should be after this puja there. No, before.
No, can offering anytime. No.
I offer here and take there.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. Offering now. What did he say?
Sita Devi.
Huh?
Sita Devi with Ravan.
Oh. Devi Parvati, she told, we are demigod and demigoddess. We know. Where is Sita Devi? Even we can very easy to rescue Sita Devi from the clutches, the hand of Ram. So if your master Ram, who is Parabrahma Bhagavan, why is crying and bewilderment as like a lusty person? So I have some things in my heart, doubts. That time, Shivji told, hey Devi Parvati, you cannot understand the sweet pastimes of my Lord Ram, who is Bhagavan. At a time he has two qualifications. One is called Sarvagata, another is called Mukthata. All knowing power and also good. Devi Parvati told, I can't believe this. That time Shivji told, if you have doubts, so you can take test. My Lord Ram is Parabrahma Bhagavan. He is the supreme personality of Godhead. But you have no faith, you can. Then Devi Parvati, he left Kailas and he came Dandakaranya, where Ramachandra, Bhagavan Ramachandra, crying, Hasite, Hasite, Hasite. You know Ravan, he kidnapped Sita Devi. Ravan disguised the form of sannyasi. And he came in the cottage of Sita Devi. Bhiksham Devi, Bhiksham Devi. And simultaneously, Marich, he disguised the form of golden deer. So Ramchandra, he was chasing behind the golden deer. Even Sita Devi, she also abused many harsh words to Lakshman. So Lakshman also went out from her cottage. So now Sita Devi, she was alone. So Ravana, he came and disguised the form of sannyasi. Bhiksham Devi, Bhiksham Devi. Give me some money. But when Lakshman left the cottage, Lakshman also made one circle. That is called Lakshman Rekha. Lakshman told, hey mother, Sita Devi, don't you cross this line until return back myself and my brother Ram. Ravan, he tried to cross that line, Lakshman Rekha, but fire came. So Ravan could not cross Lakshman Rekha. So Ravan told, Viksham Dei, give me army. Sita Devi, she told, hey Sadhu, you have come in my cottage, but you come because my brother-in-law, Lakshman, he made this line. I cannot cross this line. I cannot go. The Ravan told, no, I am very tired. I am sadhu. So long journey. Now I am taking rest. If you not give me, so many inauspiciousness come in your life. In my trance, I am looking. Your husband chasing behind one deer and deep forest and Gavir jungle. Then the deer also about to kill your husband. Then Sita Devi could not tolerate. Sita Devi told, hey Sadhu, don't give curse my husband. Then Sita Devi crossed the line and came out from the line. Then Ravan kidnapped Sita Devi. Just a briefly tell you this. How Ravan kidnapped Sita Devi. Sita Haran Lila. Then after a few minutes, Ramchandra, he killed Marich. And Ram and Lakshman returned back. Then in the cottage, no, Sita Devi is not there. Then Ramchandra completely beholded man as like a lusty person. Hasite, crying. So now Parvati Devi, she came in same place, and Parvati Devi, she disguised the form of Sita Devi. Because Parvati Devi, she is thinking, if Ram is son Brahma Bhagavan, so he can recognize to me, and if he is not Bhagavan and human being, he can't to recognize to me. For this regard, Parvati Devi, she disguised the form of Sita form. Ramchandra crying. Hasite. Ramchandra, he embraced the trees, crying and shedding tears. Crying and crying. Kothai go Janakanandini. Oh, the daughter of Janak Maharaj, where are you? Crying and crying in this. So, Parvati Devi, she disguised the form of Sita and come in front of Ram, but Ramchandra did not look at her and moved other way. Again and again, she came in front of Ram, but Ramchandra did not embrace to him or did not look at her. But Sita, then when Parvati again and again coming, then Ramchandra smiled. Ramchandra very humble told, hey Devi, Parvati, why have you come in this forest? Your master, your husband, Shivji, he is waiting for you in Kailas. Please return back to your husband. Then, Devi Parvati, she became very ashamed. Oh my God. Understand? Long time come out. And if anybody did fault, Indian culture, they hold the ears and long tongue, come down. Huh? Understand? Devi Kali. She returned, she thinks, oh, my husband he told Ramji Parabrahma Bhagavan. But what will do now? She returned back in Kailas. Then Lord Shiva asked, hey Devi Parvati, did you take test, my Lord Ram is Bhagavan or not? But Devi Parvati, she told lie. Well, no, I did not take test. This is the offense of wrath. Our scriptures explain, never tell a lie in front of Guru and Lord Bhagavan. You don't think Guru, he does not know I am doing this. Never tell. This is called aparadh. Very careful. You have to open your heart in front of three persons. According to Niti Shastra also explains. In front of doctor, in front of your parents, or in front of Guru. If you're any kinds of problem in your private portion, you have to open in front of doctor. Otherwise, how doctor will be clean? Otherwise, gangrene comes, then you will be died. No, this is my private part of my body. I should not go to the doctor. I should not submit doctor. So you will be died. Cancer, gangrene, then cancer, then you will be died. Balavinda, Vihari. And you have to, in your heart, any problem comes, you have to explain in front of your parents, your superiors. Then they will solve your problems. Or another third, you have to open your heart in front of Guru. In your Niti Shastra also explains this way. You should not hide anything in front of how many persons? Three persons. But Devi Parvati, she told, no, I did not take place. Then Shivji, again he samadhi. In his samadhi, he realized, oh, my wife, she disguised in form of Devi Parvati, Sita Devi, who is my Ishtadev. And test Lord Ramchandra Bhagavan. Samsatma Vinasati. Bhagavad Gita Krishna says. One who doubts with Guru, Bhagavan, you will lose everything. Samsatma Vinasati. Very careful. Then Shivji, he realized Devi Parvati committed two offenses. First, she told lie, mithya. A second, she disguised the form of Shiva. So for this regard, from that day, Shivji is thinking, I cannot accept you as like my consort or wife. Because you manifest the form of my Ishta Devi Sita. So how possible I accept you as like my wife? And another, you also told lie. Take care. Ramchandra is Bhagavan. You have no faith. So for this regard, from that day, Lord Shiva, he did not speak any Hari Katha. Who is offenders, aparadhi? Shastra saying, don't tell to Hari Katha in front of offenders, aparadhi. Aparadhi jane Krishna kripa kare na tari. Those are offenders of Guru and Vaishnava. Krishna will not give mercy. Those who criticize Guru and Vaishnava never associate with it. Very carefully this thing. So Bhakti Vaishnava Charitra Sadai Pavitra जय निंद हिंसे तारे भक्ति बिनो ना संभाषे तारे सदा रहे मौन भक्ति ठाकुर just last line I forget. What is saying? Vaishnava charitra sadai pavitra. The character of Vaishnava, here Vaishnava means Shuddha Vaishnava, not fake Vaishnava, particularly Shuddha Vaishnava. Vaishnava charitra, the character of Shuddha Vaishnava is always pure. Never criticize to him. Shukla Vaishnava charitra sadai pavitra, je ninda hingsa tare, one who criticizes and envious with Vaishnava, never associate. Sada rahe munadhari. Sada rahe munadhari means you have to keep silence. No need to criticize and no need to glorify. No nindati, no prasamsati. This is Bhaktivinoda Thakur song, Kirtan. Understand? You learn this song. Vaishnava charitra sadai pavitra je ninde hingse tare bhakati vinod nasambhase tare sada rahe mukmat. No need to criticize. No need to argument. What will do? Mauna. No need. Associate with. This is the process. Otherwise, if you argument, then you will lose your bhakti also. So best process is what? Keep silence. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. For this regard, Lord Shiva, from this day, he did not talk with Krishna Katha, Ram Katha with Devi Parvati. You can worldly behave, but no spiritual behavior. Paramatmik no. But Lord Shiva is very strict. From that day, Lord Shivji, he did not talk with Devi Parvati. Srimad Bhagavatam. Actually, this is the root cause of Sati Devi. She gave her body, Sati Dehatyam. Other reason is what? Occasionally has come. Understand? Daksha Jagga, many things you sometimes also told. Daksha Jagga Katha, Srimad Bhagavatam. Daksha Jagga Katha is there. Many things happen. Actually, Lord Shiva, he gave off to Devi Parvati from these days. This is the thing. Actually, these days, for this days is called Mauna Amavasya. Amavasya, new moon, Amavasya, and Lord Shivji also moon. Did not speak anything. Who is offenders, Aparadhi? Those are Aparadhi. Gurudrahi. Aparadhi. Do not talk to them. This Shastra explains this. But do not criticize nothing. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So this day, Lord Shivji, he did not talk Krishna Katha, Ram Katha with Devi Parvati. What he did? Just he chanting holy names and close his eyes. For this regard, today is called Mauni Amavasya. And according to Indian Vedic culture, and in the day of Amavasya, you have to perform fire sacrifice. I remember many years before in Mathura, that time Gurudev did not take Diksha, only he gave Harinam. So for this regard, according to Gurudev appearance day, that is called Vyasa Puja, officially no did. Understand? No one do Guru Puja to Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Because according to Gauriya Vedanta Samiti, only one Acharya Guru. Bhakti Pragyan Kesar Goswami Maharaj, and in his Samiti, this is the Samiti's rules. Vaman Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vedanta Mitra Vaman Goswami Acharya. Was his appearance day, Guru Puja. Otherwise, if every day no Nand Maharaj do, then Samiti's big problem will come. Others member will be complain. So for this regard, no one did Guru Puja with Narayan Goswami Maharaj. But I remember in one Mathura, one Bengali lady, in her house, that day also very, I don't know, she also called to Gurudev, and every year Gurudev used to go her house and Harikatha, and especially today super excellent auspicious day, and Mathura Vrindavan, especially in Mathura Vrindavan, and they also prepare many kinds of preparation. And also they feed to the Brahman and Vaishnava. Brahman Vaishnava Bhojan. Understand? Brahman Vaishnava Bhojan. So Gurudev also he is to come in that one Bengali lady just behind our Mathura temple, her house, I remember, and Krishnapuri. But she so much eager to perform fire sacrifice in our house, and especially also in Mauni Amavasya I told, and some people they like to fire sacrifice. So for this regard, she also called to Gurudev, "Oh Gurudev, Maharaj, please come in my house and take Mahaprasad and also fire sacrifice." So I remember Gurudev used to go her house, and also Gurudev insisted me, you do fire sacrifice. I remember today. Just remember. In our many years, I did fire sacrifice in our house. I remember this thing. I will do a little bit fire sacrifice, not big. Just because a small fire. Because according to this Vedic culture, in Mauni Amavasya, you chant holy names or also do fire sacrifice. Understand? But later when Gurudev revealed his Acharya Lila, then now whole world every day, now whole world also his Vyasa Puja, Guru Puja is going on. But before, just fire sacrifice. And Gurudev used to come her house, and very I remember she prepared many kinds of preparation. You know, Bengali people means you cannot believe. If you go Bengal, especially 24 Pargana and Midnapur, you cannot believe what kinds of they preparation. Laddu, kochori, many kinds of preparation Bengali. Even the patha, pitha, pana, and many kinds of. About 100 preparation, if they prepare, then they will be happy, otherwise not. And we have seen, this also, Umadisi has also so many habits. Because Indian not, Bengali people, their habits to how to cook, how to feed to Guru and Vaishnava. If you go to 24 Pargana or Midnapur, Bengal people, you cannot believe. Many kinds of Indian or Bengali sabji. Understand? Not only. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also in Chaitanya Charitamrita, many kinds of preparation. Understand? Bhaja Bhava Kata Vatsala Sigura Bhai Sri Gaura Hari Sai Gosta Vihar. In the song, isn't it?
Yeah.
How many preparation? Many. Laddu, kochuri, and pitha, pana, and many kinds of preparation. And about 200, 300 preparation. And I remember also this when I was in my house. And in our house also when any nice celebration, and my mother, and she cooked many kinds of, from maybe 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. she wake up and cooking. And I remember, and she cooked many kinds of, about 300 to 400 preparation. You cannot believe. I tell you cannot believe. Only sak means about 10 or 15 types of sak. Sak, understand? Spinach. She cooked. Spinach. She cooked. And very nice. And when you sit, and Bengali people, they took prasad, and their special day, they are not in the plate. That is banana banana leaves. That is called their special and auspicious. In Chaitanya Charitamrita we explain when Mahaprabhu took Mahaprasad in the house of Advaita Acharya. You read this katha? And that time also there banana leaves, Advaita Acharya. He gave many kinds of preparation to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in the banana leaves. Bengali people mean this way. And Bengali, actually, another thing I tell you, they are not again and again and take. One time you take, what will give? Understand? No need. Take one. Finish not this thing. Others can't keep, others we have it. And you have this finish no. They give everything and prepare and completely one and give to you. Then you can eat. How much you can eat? Let us go. Oh, okay. This rice finished. Then again rice coming. No. Once give rice. Then once give everything. Then completely. This is actual Vedic tradition also. This thing. What did I say?
Fire ceremony.
Fire ceremony. So just I remember when we were thinking in my room. Oh, many years before, I remember in Mathura, just behind our temple, Kasipji Gaudiya Math, one Bengali lady, she was staying, and she also took Harinam from Srila Narayana Goswami Maharaj, but later she took Diksha from Srila Bhaman Goswami Maharaj. But Gurudev, in this day, Moni Musa, used to go her house and she prepared many kinds of preparation. You cannot believe this one. So now coming in this way. So today is super excellent, auspicious day. Moni Amavasya, and everybody also chanting holy names, Ram Ram. Bolo Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram. Jai Radhe Ram, Jai Radhe Ram, Jai Radhe Ram, oh Jai Radhe Ram, Jai Radhe Ram, Jai Radhe Ram, Jai Radhe Ram. Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram, Sita Ram. Oh Jindi ke dor se hak bina nachte. नाताराम जिसे तुझे आशा छोड़ दे, एक नाताराम जिसे तुझे आशा छोड़ दे, सीताराम सीताराम Arati tray is there, or Arati tray put in there, and also Achman cup there. And then I will go do Guru Puja. Then after Guru Puja, fire sacrifice. Not so long. Then here Arati. Jai Guru Deva, Jaya Guru Deva, Jaya Guru Deva, Jaya Guru Deva. Gurudev Tumhari Jai Jai Ho, 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 yesterday I told Vyasa Puja means, what means of Vyasa Puja? Guru Puja. Listen, Guru Puja Namanta, Vyasa Puja. Listen, this is the main thing. So every disciple had to worship his Gurudev in his appearance day. This is the Vedic rules and regulations. So today is super excellent, auspicious day, whole world, England, America, Australia, Russia, everywhere I think so. Everywhere they also celebrate Gurudev appearance day. How will celebrate the appearance day of Gurudev? That means Vyasa Puja, Guru Puja means how Gurudev will please with us. Puja means is what? What is the meaning of puja? Puja means that is called please. How Gurudev will please? Just taking one flower or offering lotus feet of Guru. This is not the perfect Guru Puja. This is called also external, Upacharik. Upacharik means external. Internal Guru Puja means how much you surrender lotus feet of Guru and fulfill his desires. Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Janaputale Swayam Rupa Kadamajjam Dadati Sapadantikam. Narottam Das Thakur, he glorified about Rupa Goswami Pad. How Rupa Goswami Pad fulfilled all the desires of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So, who fulfilled the These are some Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that Rupa Goswami Pad. Give me shelter unto his lotus feet. And Narottam Das Thakur very humble. Right? But Narottam Das Thakur saying, oh, how will we receive the mercy of Rupa Goswami or Rupa Manjari? Right? How will we receive the mercy of my Gurudev? Right? Kabe loko nath mori sange laya jabe sirupera pad padme kabe samarpibe. Narottam Das Thakur very humble, he said, when my Gurudev Lokanath Das Goswami, Narottam Das Thakur's Guru, Lokanath Das Goswami saying, Kabe Lokanath more sange laya jabe. When my Gurudev Lokanath Das Goswami will take me with him and offer to lotus feet of Rupa Goswami or Rupa Manjari. This is our Indian object. Lokanath Das Goswami's Guru, Narottam Das Thakur's Guru Lokanath Das Goswami. That is called Manjulali. Narottam Das Thakur sometimes was absorbed in his transient constant form. Narottam Das Thakur saying, my Gurudev, that means, what is his name?
Lokanath
Manjulali. Offered the lotus feet of Rupa Manjari. Then Rupa Manjari, she also engaged to serve the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Lokanath Das, Narottam Das Thakur in this song explained this way. So, she serves very nicely. And said Narottam Das Thakur actually, his transcendental concern from Siddha Deva, what is his name? Anubilas Manjari. I think Anubilas. And that time, Srimati Radhika, she asked Rupa Manjari, hey Rupa Manjari, who is this very nice, beautiful, and tender as a young girl? That Rupa Manjari, she smiled and she told, I don't know, Manjulali ani dila ei nabodasi. It's very sweet words. Rupa Manjari, she told to Srimati Radhika, I don't know. She knows everything. But she told, Rupa Manjari, she told, I don't know. Manjulali ani dila ei nabodasi. Manjulali, she brought this new tender-aged young girl and served to you. That time Srimati Radhika, she very pleased. Oh, she is very smiling. And also jolly. Jolly, understand? Very attractive. And Srimati Radhika, she told, oh, you serve very nicely. You serve my Kunja Seva. And prepared the bed of Srimati Radhika and this thing. Narottam Das Thakur very nice. Glorify this way. This kind of service, that means Guru engaged his disciple to serve the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. And bona fide Guru, this is his own desire. Gurudev told, bona fide Guru wants how I am servicing my Istadev. All my followers, all my disciples should serve as like me. Bona fide Guru wants, bring more flowers and make garland and give to me and I offer to divine Lord Radha and Krishna. What are the flowers? The heart of living entity, these are flowers. Radha Krishna Pranamolo Jugal Kishora Jivane Morone Goti Aronahi Moro Gatiyama Latirmala Divo Tuhar Kale Adhare Tuliya Divo Purpura Tambole Gathia Malati Mala. I will make very nice, beautiful garland of Malati flower. And offer to divine couple, Radha and Krishna. Here, Malati flowers means is I will collect many sweet-hearted living entities and offer to Gurudev. Then Gurudev, he will offer to his Istade, divine Radha and Krishna. This is the process. Most of the time explain Guru means is what? Who is expert, extremely expert, not expert, extremely expert. The all kinds of service of his Istade, divine people, Radha and Krishna. That means Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada explained Guru means Radha Krishna Seva Murta Vigraha. Seva Murta Vigraha, who is the completely or extremely manifestation service of Radha and Krishna. Guru not means just speak lecture. He is Guru. This is only knowledge, Gyan. But he has also knowledge in it also. Guru has knowledge. Tasmad Gurum Prabhude Diggal Sultavam Sabde Parja Nisnatam Brahman Sunasa. Guru means bona fide Guru means 3 qualifications. He has vast of knowledge of the scriptures, Shastra Gyan. But not only Shastra Gyan. Impartialists, they have also vast of knowledge. Even some, I heard also, listening something to you. Even Muslim guy, one Muslim guy, he has vast of knowledge of Ved, Puran, Upanishad, Bhagavad Gita, but completely an impartialist, Mayavadi. Very difficult to defeat to him also. He is very intelligent and has vast of knowledge, Ved, Upanishad. And he also quoted the slokas from Ved, Puran, this chapter, this. If you speak one slok, 1,000 slok, he can utter. As like at the time of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. What is his name? Digvijay Pandit. What is his name? He came. Keshav Kashmir. Keshav Kashmir. All Pandits of Navadvip, they are afraid. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu defeated. In the same way, one Muslim guy has vast knowledge of Ved, Puran, Upanishad. And he quoted all the slokas also, his own, what is called, Quran. He speaks very nicely. Big Mayavadis coming and boom, defeat. So why I am saying, because maybe some person has vast of knowledge, Shastra Gyan, but realization, Seva Vritti, nothing. So who is bona fide Guru? He has 3 qualifications. He has not to need Shastra Gyan. Understand? Second, he must be realization, Anubhuti about Paramartha, spiritual. Or third, detached from the material sense gratification. So that means Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, he explained Guru means he is the Radha Krishna's Seva Murta Vigraha. Seva Murta Vigraha. Because Guru Ashtak, Srila Vishwanath Chakravarti explained. Si Vigrara Dhana Nittana Sringara Santan Mandir Marjanadis. Jukta Savaktan Se Nijunjatuhi. He also engaged to serve his followers towards divine Radha and Krishna. And he is servicing. Apani Achari Jivire Shikhan. He follows the rules, servicing and also engage his followers. And they come, everybody come. Decorate Thakurji is very nicely. Clean here, everything. Cook here. Do this. He is servicing and also engaged. And those who are envious people, not saying anything. Okay, let him to do. Go to hell. And those who are very close, saying, yes, you have to serve. Clean here. Different, very nice. This is the process. Your Guru means this. And if you go Golok Vrindavan, Rupa Manjari, Rati Manjari are there. They will give service to you, how to serve Divine Radha and Krishna. And here Narottama Das Thakur told, then when Srimati Radhika is very pleased with me, then Srimati Radhika she told, hey Rupa Manjari, this new tender aged girl, very nice people, very smiling face, very jolly, understand? Very attractive and always and slender. Okay, and get to my son. Then Rupa Manjari told, Eso Nabo Dasi. Here new maid servant come. You also prepare some sandalwood paste, chandan, you know? Sandalwood. The Rupa Goswami, Rupa Manjari, she engaged to Narottama Das Thakur on Anukula Manjari. Prepare for sandalwood paste. And also Gopi dot to Divine Radha and Krishna. Raghunath Das Goswami also explained, very hankering Bilap Kusmanjali, Sirupa Manjari Kadar Kararita Pad Padma Prashandana Bhujadvita Mastakaya, Ha Madata Kanaka Gauri Padar Vindam Sanavayani, Sanakistavakim Karishya. Hey Rupa Manjari, you are very expert to serve the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. That means Srimati Radhika, she is taking rest on the lap of Krishna. And Srimati Radhika's head on the arms of Krishna. Krishna's arm is as like very nice, beautiful, soft pillow. Or Srimati Radhika, she is laying down. And Rupa Manjari, she is very gently and softly massaging the feet of Srimati Radhika. And because Radhika's feet is very soft, as like cotton. But you take cotton, any could not compare. Even the foam of, as like the foam of milk, dukta fenil. The foam of milk. You cannot understand. But there are no example we can explain how the beautiful lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Here Bilap Kusmanjali, Sri Raghunath Das Goswami, in his transcendental knowledge, in his trance, Bhav Netra, is looking. So saying, Sirupa Manjari Kararjita Pad Padam, Goshtandra Bhujadvita Mastakaya, Ha Madhya Kanaka Gauri Padarvinda, Sanaka Istavakim Karisse. Could you engage me? That means you give me service, allow to me service, the lotus feet of Srimati Radhika. Then Srimati Radhika was saying, then Rupa Manjari was saying, yes, come. And door is open for service. My Gurudev told, temple open for everybody. Everybody can come temple and service. Mandir ke darwaja khola hai. Understand? The temple, a door of temple open. Everybody can serve. And serve seva. Kunja seva. Mandir seva, kunja seva. If you do service here and remembering past tense of Krishna, yesterday I told Gurudev, what he is doing? He is two forms at a time. What is that? Sadhaka rupena, siddha rupena chakrahi. Sadhaka rupena, externally servicing cooking. And internally remembering sweet amorous pastime, Ashtakali Lila of Aradhan Krishna. This seva is going on, both simultaneously seva. Yesterday I told, here also to serve, and also there to be served. And so sadhaka rupena, siddha rupena chakra. Seva. If you serve, so much happiness will come, so much Ananda, blissfulness will come, Ananda will come. If your little bit heart will neat and clean, free from anarthas, you cannot believe what kinds of feeling will come to service, Ananda. Seva, bhakti. Sometimes saying, to serve, come everybody, serve. Clean the temple. Tan mandira marjanadisu. Tan mandira marjanadisu. Gundija Marjan Lila. Mahaprabhu himself also cleaned the temple and also engaged to everybody to seva. Seva hi parama dharma. Our Vedas explain this way. Seva hi parama. To service is the great virtue. This is our spontaneous nature. Jiver Sarup hai Nitya Das. Das means girl. Das means servant. Servant means you have to serve. Seva. You are Das means you are seva. Alpavagya Das nahi karan Bhagavan. Das eno namaniyo. Das eno namaniyo. Alpavagya Das nahi karan Bhagavan. And Chaitanya Bhagavad, those who are less fortunate, Lord will not accept to him to serve his lotus feet. Sometimes people are thinking, oh, why you will serve? I will become master. Prabhu. No, you have to become Seva. Seva hi parama dharma. Brahma, Shiva, Narada, all they are hankering how to serve. So always you think how to serve my Gurudev. How to serve, how Gurudev will be pleased. Jasya prasadat bhagavat prasad. Jasya prasadat navati kuta yogi. Thanks to Bhaktas, jasastri sandam. Bande Guru Sri Charanam. Jasya prasad bhagavat prasad. Jasya prasad navati kuta yogi. If Guru is pleased, then automatically Krishna will be pleased. Haru rushte gurut prata. If Krishna is unpleased to you, but Guru can protect you. Or great Gurudev unpleased with you, asantushta, not with you. No one can, even Krishna not protect you. So our only one aim and object, how we fulfill the request my Gurudev. Guru how will be happy. Guru Shiva. Srila Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj most of the time, he told. He told in my Mathura Math, no need two types of devotee. Lazy and crazy. Bhaktivinoda Swami Maharaj, same our acharyas. Swami Maharaj also, Bhaktivinoda Swami Maharaj told in my mission, there are no need lazy person and crazy person. Crazy will make the disturbance. A lazy, only eating and sleeping. Understand? And also unclean the toilet. But too much eating. And going to the toilet and even not also the flesh. Lazy person, oh, no need to. The next person will come. So for the toilet written there, you have to clean for the next person. And before you leave the toilet, you have to clean. If you go any airport, inside the written area, you have to clean. You have to press for your next person. Before you leave the toilet, you have to clean. But lazy person, who will press the 1 second, just touch the bottom. Then toilet go to the down, but no, this is too much for me. Eating too much or going to toilet and toilet also. That has to be. So Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj told, no need the lazy person. lazy person only eating. Huh? Get out of the temple, no need. What do you do there? No. Your spontaneous nature. You have to manifest your spontaneous nature. Hey, Jiva Jago. Please wake up. Huh? Jiva Jago. Please wake up. To make wake up your soul. Atma ki jagrit karo. Jagriti. Jagriti means to wake up. Eh? To make wake up. Don't sleep. Please wake up. Eh? Chant holy names. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Hare Hare. Guru Deva Jaya. Guru Deva Jaya. We will also glorify about Srila Gurudev, life history and his contribution. Yes, Srila Gurudev. Now go to Samadhi Mandir and Guru Puja, Puspanjali. Then we are Arati and take Prasad quick. You are Pujari? Pujari should not put the cloth, artist cloth. Kurta. Kurta. Kurta, don't go there. Only one. Ah, sorry.